going on today? I am back with Danny, and I know I've been doing a lot of videos with Danny, but I just want to do videos with Danny. So, we are doing random stuff part 2. Just like I did with Austin a few days ago. Come here, Danny. Come here, Danny. Put down the guitar, and come on. So, we're going to do a random stuff video, random clips of random things, and we'll be right back. I'm rocking this. Hey, Danny, what are you doing there? I freaking suck at Guitar Hero. I'm practicing. What? Oh, you got an encore? Whoa! Danny! Danny, you see your mother. Stop rocking. Rock and roll! Whatever it is, looks cool. It's not. I'm studying Earth. See, like this could be another planet in a whole other dimension or something. I don't know. Idiot. Hey, I'm a smart guy. I'm the smartest in the land. I'm smart. I'm smart. You expect the smart people just like the fat people. You expect the smart people. You expect the smart people. Ah! Don't make fun of nerds. Isn't that right, Danny? Yeah. What are you doing? It's just like the last clip. I mean, seriously. Oh, you did nothing. I'm studying Earth! Violence! Alright, let's do this. Alright. Yeah! That's how you parkour, people. Parkour. Oh. Oh. That felt nice. Oh. Hey, you, get in there! Wait, what? Huh? What did I do? You masked menace! Jeez, people. At least I shut up! At least I still have my tunes. Oh, it's over. Dang it. Can I get out of here now? No! Alright, your feet. Oh. Thank you. Just kidding! Really thought I would let you go? Oh, yeah? What are you doing? I don't know. Give me that. No way, I almost made it. Ah, you kidding me? Get on. I'll be telling you about the world's atmosphere. So no! Oh. What? You don't care about it?
Nobody does! Jeez!
That's my heart right there. Alright, what to do today? It's a summer day, so I'm free.
Hey, Michael, you want to have a dance party?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah!
Oh, watch out, I'm working my moves.
No! Head spinning!
Oh.